Neville Goddard believed that words hold a sacred resonance, capable of shaping the very fabric of our existence. His teachings illuminate the path to aligning our language with our desires, propelling us toward a life of abundance and fulfillment. Join us as we unlock the secrets of 4 of Neville Goddard's most potent words. Step into the enchanting world of manifestation, where the alchemy of words weaves dreams into reality. In this mystical journey, we delve into the profound teachings of Neville Goddard, a luminary in the realm of metaphysics. He revealed the extraordinary power of language, guiding us to harness the transformative potential of our thoughts and words. The video is going to be interesting and detailed, so watch this video till the end. And if you are new to our channel, subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. At the heart of Neville Goddard's teachings lies the alchemical phrase, I am. Within these 2 words lies the essence of our divine identity. I am is not merely a statement, it is a proclamation of our sacred connection to the universe, an acknowledgement of our innate divinity. As we wield I am with intention, we become conscious co-creators of our reality. Embrace the expansive power of I am and watch as your affirmations shape the very fabric of your existence. I am confident. I am abundant. I am love. I am worthy. I am powerful. The possibilities are as infinite as the cosmos itself. By aligning our thoughts and words with the magnificence of I am, we claim our birthright as architects of our own lives. Within the boundless canvas of I am lies the power to transcend limitations and step into a reality defined by our deepest desires. When we embrace the divine truth of I am, we move in harmony with the universe, and the universe moves in harmony with us. As we merge our intentions with the boundless energy of I am, we become architects of our own lives, bringing forth the dreams that lie dormant within our souls. Unlock the potential of I am and witness the universe conspire to bring your deepest desires to life. The power of I am transcends time and space, transcending cultural boundaries and belief systems. It resonates with the collective consciousness, acknowledging that we are all interconnected beings, entwined in the cosmic dance of existence. In the tapestry of I am, each thread represents a unique soul, expressing itself through the vastness of creation. As we become conscious of our interconnectedness, we realize that our dreams are not just individual desires, but a part of the universal tapestry. Through the transformative energy of I am, we become architects of our own reality, sculpting the very essence of our existence. As we speak I am into existence, we infuse our intentions with life force, bringing them one step closer to fruition. Embrace the boundless potential of I am and watch as the universe orchestrates serendipitous encounters, miraculous synchronicities, and abundant blessings. Through I am, we tap into the wellspring of creativity, co-creating a reality that harmonizes with our soul's purpose. Our next word is thank you. Gratitude, a celestial elixir, finds its home in the enchanting words thank you. Neville Goddard revealed that expressing gratitude for our desires, as if they have already been granted, opens the gates of abundance. Gratitude transforms our perspective from scarcity to plenitude, inviting a symphony of blessings into our lives. In the world of manifestation, thank you becomes a profound acknowledgement of the universe's benevolence. It is not merely a polite gesture. It is a soulful recognition of the interconnectedness between ourselves and the cosmic dance of creation. As we offer heartfelt thanks to the universe, we signal our trust in its benevolence. It is like a sacred contract between us and the cosmos, expressing our unwavering belief that our desires are being met with grace and compassion. Thank you becomes a balm for the soul, soothing our fears and anxieties, and filling us with a sense of serenity. It is in this state of serenity that we become open vessels, ready to receive the abundant gifts that life has in store for us. When we cultivate the art of gratitude, we transform our vibrational frequency, aligning ourselves with the frequency of abundance. Like a magnet, we draw more blessings and opportunities into our lives, for the universe delights in showering its abundance upon those who are grateful. Moreover, thank you not only celebrates the manifestation of our desires, but also the journey that led us to this moment. Each step, each challenge, and each victory become reasons to express gratitude. We acknowledge that every experience has shaped us, molding us into the beings we are today. Gratitude, when offered with sincerity, amplifies the power of our intentions. It is as if the universe hears our thank you and responds, "You're welcome, and here is more." It is a divine dance of give and take, where we show appreciation and the universe reciprocates with even more gifts. Embrace the art of gratitude and watch as your reality transforms into a tapestry of wonder and abundance. Embody the spirit of thank you in your daily life and witness the magic of appreciation unfolding around you. With every thank you, we cultivate an attitude of humility and grace. We recognize that we are co-creators in this cosmic symphony, and with our grateful hearts, we invite the universe to continue composing the most beautiful melodies in our lives. As we embrace the power of thank you, we realize that gratitude is not merely a fleeting emotion, it is a way of life. When we approach life with gratitude, we dance in harmony with the universe, and every step becomes a celebration of the journey itself. Moving to our next word, in the realm of boundless possibilities, imagine stands as an enchanting catalyst, invoking the forces of creation. Neville Goddard beckons us to embrace the expansive art of imagination, where the boundaries between dreams and reality blur, and the seeds of manifestation are sown. As we venture into this ethereal realm, we realize that imagine transcends mere wishful thinking. It is an invocation of our innate creative power. With every thought, every emotion, and every vivid visualization, we send ripples into the cosmic fabric, signaling our intentions to the universe. In the sanctuary of our minds, we sculpt the visions of our heart's deepest yearnings. We infuse these dreams with life force, imbuing them with the energy of possibility. As we nurture these visions with unwavering faith, they take root in the fertile soil of the subconscious, steadily gaining momentum toward realization. Within the boundless tapestry of Imagine, we connect with the quantum realm, where the potential for every conceivable reality exists. As we navigate this multidimensional space, we realize that the power of manifestation lies within us, waiting to be unleashed through the magic of imagination. Embrace Imagine as a sacred gift bestowed upon humanity, a divine inheritance that empowers us to script our destiny. As we dare to envision a world transformed, we align our intentions with the cosmic symphony, harmonizing with the grand dance of creation. In the alchemy of Imagine, we merge with the universal mind, tapping into the collective consciousness that shapes the course of humanity. As co-creators of our reality, we intertwine our aspirations with the web of existence, weaving threads of transformation into the grand tapestry of life. Through Imagine, we transcend the limitations of the material world, soaring on the wings of possibility. It is a realm where dreams are not just ephemeral musings but tangible blueprints awaiting realization. In this sacred space of imagination, there are no boundaries, no constraints, only the unfurling of pure potentiality. As we surrender to the current of creative flow, we realize that every thought and intention is a brushstroke on the canvas of existence. In the cosmic theater of Imagine, we become the playwrights of our life's script, co-directing the unfolding scenes with the universe. As we channel the energy of creation, synchronicities and opportunities emerge like guiding stars, leading us toward the fulfillment of our dreams. With each embrace of Imagine, we surrender to the magnificence of the unknown, embracing uncertainty as a fertile ground for miracles. In this surrender, we find liberation, for we release the need to control every aspect and allow the universe to orchestrate the most magnificent symphony. As we traverse the landscape of Imagine, we awaken to the interconnectedness of all living beings, realizing that the dreams we cherish are interconnected with the collective evolution of humanity. With this realization, our intentions become a benevolent force, impacting not just our lives but the greater tapestry of existence. In the grand tapestry of Imagine, we discover that we are not separate from the dance of creation. We are the very essence of it. Our dreams become threads interwoven with the cosmic dance, guiding us toward the realization that we are both dreamers and the dream itself. Embrace the magic of Imagine, and with every thought, with every heartbeat, with every breath, let your visions ignite the celestial fires of creation. Step boldly into the realm of imagination and watch as the universe conspires to turn your dreams into resplendent realities. Now let's move to our last, but most powerful word. In the enchanting phrase, "This is wonderful," we uncover the transformative magic of appreciation and awe. Neville Goddard urges us to embrace the art of celebrating every step of our manifestation journey. With childlike wonder, we acknowledge the unfolding miracles and blessings, infusing them with boundless positive energy. "This is wonderful" becomes a mantra of gratitude, where we bask in the joy of our desires manifesting. It is not just about reaching the destination but cherishing the entire journey, the trials that transformed us, the tribulations that tested us, and the triumphs that uplifted us. As we immerse ourselves in the radiant light of This is Wonderful, we amplify the vibrancy of our intentions. With each expression of appreciation, we fan the flames of manifestation, drawing even more wonders into our lives. This is Wonderful is not a passive acceptance of life's blessings. It is an invitation for the universe to shower us with even greater gifts. When we recognize and savor the beauty of our manifestations, we unlock the floodgates of abundance. In the realm of This is Wonderful, gratitude becomes the beacon that guides us through life's twists and turns. We dance with joy, knowing that the universe conspires to create moments of serendipity and synchronicity, aligning us with our heart's desires. With every This is Wonderful, we shift our focus from lack to abundance, from dissatisfaction to contentment. The present moment becomes a treasure chest of delight as we acknowledge the universe's benevolence. Embrace This is Wonderful as a powerful declaration of trust in the divine orchestration of life. We surrender to the flow of existence, knowing that everything unfolds for our highest good. In this sacred dance of appreciation, we become active co-conspirators in the grand play of creation. This is Wonderful sets the stage for even greater miracles, as the universe delights in our gratitude and responds with more blessings. By embracing This is Wonderful, we dissolve the barriers of resistance and create an energetic space of allowing. It is within this space that the universe effortlessly delivers our heart's desires. As we revel in the splendor of This is Wonderful, we acknowledge our worthiness of abundance and joy. We recognize that we are deserving of the blessings that unfold before us. In the tapestry of This is Wonderful, we find the symphony of interconnectedness. Every expression of gratitude sends ripples of positivity into the collective consciousness, uplifting not just ourselves but also the world around us. This is Wonderful is a sacred affirmation that invites us to celebrate the manifestation of our dreams with an open heart. Each desire realized becomes a stepping stone, leading us towards even greater heights of fulfillment. With every This is Wonderful, we plant seeds of positivity in our consciousness, cultivating an abundant mindset. Gratitude becomes our guiding star, navigating us through life's ever-changing currents. May This is Wonderful be the anthem of your manifestation journey, filling your heart with awe, gratitude, and delight. Embrace the beauty of the present moment and watch as the universe unfolds its miracles, creating a life that is truly wonderful beyond imagination. I hope I delivered a detailed analysis of the most powerful words to manifest whatever we desire in life that was suggested by Neville Goddard, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to share your opinion, comment down below this video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to it and press the bell icon for more interesting, informative, and helpful videos on manifestation. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.